Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Inquest. Inquest is defined as an inquiry into the cause of death, where the death is apparently unnatural. If you think the death is unnatural, then the inquiry that the police does, or it is called as inquest. Inquest can be of four types: police inquest, 2 magistrate inquest, 3 coroner's inquest, 4 medical examiner inquest. Police inquest and magistrate inquest are the only inquest which are conducted in India.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about